Hey lovelies, it's Ebony. Welcome back to my channel where I'm creating hair care confidence. If it sounds like I'm talking a little bit louder, it's because I am. It's raining so bad outside. So this intro is going to be pretty quick. I just want to give you guys a couple of points before the tutorial starts because I need to warn y'all. This style was done on dirty hair. It's been about 2 weeks since I last washed my hair, and you know, it is what it is. There was no reason to wash my hair as far as I was concerned, and yeah, I'm gonna wash it this weekend. So yeah, if y'all see a little bit of product buildup or a dry scalp, that's all that is. And another reason why I decided to do this style on dirty hair is because I do not like to style a fresh wash and go. I want to wear my curls, let it do its thing for a few days, and then break it down and style it and pull it up and all that stuff, because you know, once you do this, it's almost no going back. So I wanted to just do it on dirty hair. This gives me the opportunity to try a new style for you guys. And then I'll wash my hair and do another product review and all that good stuff. Now this style was inspired by Laur's Curls on Instagram. She's another Instagram star. I hope I'm saying her name right. It's Laurscurls. Laur's Curls on Instagram. And I just really like how this style turned out. I love the look on her, so I'm not surprised that I like it on me. The only difference between, well, I won't say the only difference, but one of the major differences in what I did versus what she did is I have 2 buns and she has 3. I just couldn't do 3. 2 is enough. My arms get tired, and the length of my hair makes it difficult to put it into little ponytails. You know, big ones are good because I can grab all the hair at once. Ironically, the smaller ones are much more difficult, and plus I didn't want to part it again. That was the whole thing, you'll see. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys. This rain is picking up, so I'm going to start wrapping up. Oh, it's September 1st. I'm so excited for fall. It's my birthday month. I'm just in a really good mood. Even with the rain pouring, I love when it rains. It means fall is on its way. I'm so ready, y'all. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button right now, because I promise you're gonna like this video. If you're still here, you're gonna like the video. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I know I'm hurrying up. Remember to speak your greatness, and as always, thanks for watching.